excuse. Kasi ganito ako pinalaki. Kasi ganito na ako dati pa. I didn't know that I was already causing trauma pala to my son. But I was using that as an excuse. Alam mo, sobrang hiyang-hiya ako when I realized that all the things that were happening in my life was because of me giving that excuse. But what's so amazing is that we have the choice pala to transform our life. We have the choice to live our life to the fullest and live our life according to what is right, according to the Lord, no? According to our faith in the Lord. And what's amazing is that we have the choice to change. Now, when I decided to change, what happened was everything around me changed as well. So, yung nangyari was that when I decided to change, it also changed my identity. Nagbago yung tingin ko sa sarili ko. No, from someone who was like that as a parent, as a husband, I changed my identity into someone who is a more patient husband, to a more loving husband and father, to a more responsible individual. So, nung binago ko yung tingin ko sa sarili ko, nagbago din yung results ko sa buhay ko. Now, it's very important that you be aware first of who you are. What you need to do is, you need to have awareness first. Sino ka ba? Paano ka mag-isip? Ano ba yung mga behaviors mo? Then, after that, you need to decide to release it, na baguhin siya. After deciding to release and change it, you need to find ways to reprogram it. And you need to act on it. Apply mo sa buhay mo. Initially, medyo awkward pa yan kasi feeling mo hindi ikaw. But the more that you keep on doing it, the more na nai-install siya sa'yo. No? Para siyang muscle. Na after a while, lumalakas yung muscle. And what's amazing is that we can reinvent ourselves. We can reinvent our lives according to what we want. Kasi ba ang galing? So you don't have to live your life suffering. You don't have to live your life playing the victim. If alam mo lang yung proseso, if you know the process, and you apply it in your life, then you can change your life. That's what's amazing about life. We get to be the main character in our life. So, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Pwede mo pang baguhin yung buhay mo.